Washbasin versus sink. Key differences. Dear friends, when designing or renovating a home, people often get confused between a washbasin and a sink. Though they may look similar, their purpose, placement, and design are quite different. Understanding these differences will help you choose the right option for your space. A washbasin is mainly used for personal hygiene. It is commonly installed in bathrooms, powder rooms, and sometimes bedrooms. Washbasins are designed for washing hands, face, and brushing teeth. They usually come in stylish designs and finishes, focusing more on appearance and comfort. On the other hand, a sink is designed for utility purposes. It is mostly found in kitchens, utility areas, and laundry rooms. Sinks are built to handle heavy usage such as washing utensils, vegetables, and cleaning tasks. They are generally deeper and more durable than washbasins. Another key difference is material. Washbasins are often made from ceramic, porcelain, or glass to enhance aesthetics. Sinks, especially kitchen sinks, are commonly made from stainless steel, granite composite, or quartz for strength and easy maintenance. Choosing between the two depends on location and usage. For bathrooms and personal use, a washbasin is the right choice. For kitchens and heavy-duty work, a sink is more practical and long-lasting. In conclusion, both washbasins and sinks serve different purposes. Selecting the correct one ensures better functionality, durability, and overall design harmony in your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.